How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Marshmallow Fluff from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make this simple recipe right now. All right, what we're going to need is 1 teaspoon of Agar Powder, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a dash of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of Arrowroot Starch, and a 1/4 cup of powdered monk fruit sweetener. We're going to combine these into a large mixing bowl. And mix until combined. This marshmallow fluff looks incredible. Keto Marshmallow Fluff. I can't wait to try it. That is delicious. Tastes just like a marshmallow. Now this is so versatile. You can add chocolate to it and make it like a chocolate dessert, or you can also add protein powder and make it a protein-rich snack. Hey, you could definitely fool your non-keto friends with this. Absolutely delicious. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. And don't forget to check the description of this video. I'll leave the recipe along with the directions on how to make this incredible keto dessert. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.